So what do you think about, because it's Easter tomorrow, teaching Romeo to gather eggs?
Yes.
You think that would be okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't you stand right here? We're going to see if we can teach Romeo to gather eggs like the Easter Bunny. Okay. You ready? Yeah. We're going to see. Maybe he'll do it. Okay, Romeo, you ready? Come on. Oh, you're a good boy.
But you do it first.
Of course, I'll do it first. Romeo.
I'm just trying to help you get pieces.
You want to go here? Ooh, good job.
Let's try with that first.
So, Romeo, let's try with the can first. So go ahead and put it by my finger. Ready? Go ahead. Get it, Romeo. Get it. Get it, Romeo. Yes, you're a good boy. But get it. Get it. Good. Uh-oh. It's okay. Get it. Get it, Romeo. Get it. Good. Good job, buddy. Okay, do you think you could do it with an egg? You think you could do that? Get it. Hey, Romeo. Get it. Look. Do you think you could get it with an egg?
Why?
Look. See? Put it in the bucket. Put it in there. Good. Okay, you want to try one? Get it. Put it in there. Good. The Easter craven. Okay, get it. Put it up there. Right here.
Easter Cravo?
Get it. Put it right by my finger. Right by my finger. Romeo. Get it. Let's see. Romeo. Look. Are you ready?
Where?
Romeo. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get this one. Get this one. Get it. He's like, get it. Good. He's like, you don't cheat me. I did it. Sorry. Here, there's a good piece. Get that one. Get that one. Good. Good job, Romeo. Just working because you're working. You're a good boy. Oh, sorry. Sorry. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy.
I can't believe you said good.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Good boy. Yes, you're a good boy.
Hey, what are you? What are you? What are you?
You're a good boy, Romeo.
Yeah, you're a good boy. What are you? You're a boy. What are you? You're a good boy.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Dripping a little bit. Okay. Bye. Good boy. Good boy.